Hi, thank you for joining me again. In this video, you would learn how the trading system works. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Basically, the system is designed to follow the concept of impulse and correction, which I have demystified by representing them with a moving average indicator. Okay, just to simplify and make it understandable to everyone. Okay, like I said, it uses the concept of impulse and correction. Impulse consists of 5 waves that are denoted by numbers, but that I ain't going to be talking about that here, but so I just need you to know. But the 200, so the 200 moving average is used to represent the trend line. Okay, as you can see, it's moving in the downward trend. So this tells us we are in a downward trend, and we should be looking towards selling or shorting our trades. Okay, the other indicator you need to further confirm this is to check. You want to check that the 4 EMA and the 12 EMA are below the 200 moving average. As you can see at this point, both the 4 EMA, which is the green line, and the 12 EMA are below the 200 moving average, which represent the direction of. Okay, this is the first condition to check for a short trade. Okay, and what you want to look next is to come over to the CCI indicator, which is called the Commodity Channel Index. I know you have a concept before now that when it's on the oversold section, you are looking forward to a reversal. This it's not likely on the CCI indicator because it's a very volatile indicator. Rather, I have been able to discover that it gives you a sense of continuity in the when it's overflow, rather than the reversal, possible reversal, as the case may be. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to look at the CCI indicator. You want to check that the line is below the 120. Don't forget that we are using 120 plus or minus 120 price level here. So when the condition for the moving average is true, that is the 4 and 12 moving average are below the 200 moving average, what you want to do is look below and check if the CCI is below the minus 120 level. Okay. This confirms a sell position. Okay, when you open a sell position at this point, you set your stop loss or take profit, depending on whether you're day trading or you're going for a long-term trading system. I'm going to come back to that shortly. Okay, let's move on. Conversely, that applies to the buy signal as well. Okay, what you want to look at for a buy signal, you want to check that the 4 moving average, you want to check that the 4 EMA and the 12 EMA are above the 200 moving average, as described in this case. That's the first instance. And secondly, you want to look down to ensure that the CCI is above the 120 indicator. Okay, at this point, if you notice this position, you'll notice the CCI is already below the 120. So this trade setup for buy is not fully complete. Okay, because in the position where the CCI was above the 120, the 4 EMA and the 12 EMA were still below the 200 moving average. So you can't go for a buy trade here. You must wait for the signal to be fully complete before you open a buy trade. And at this point, where the 4 and 12 EMA are above the 200 moving average, you see the CCI indicator already below the 120. So in this position, you gotta hold on. You have to hold on in this situation and look for another opportunity. The CC, if you notice, you see the CCI is some inch above the 120 level. Okay, at this point you can open a buy trade. So you have a setup here to open a buy position, or if you peradventure miss that same point, you have another setup here, correct signal, to open a buy position. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss with you the recommended position to set your stop loss and take profit for day trading. I will also be discussing the most suitable currency pair of choice for this trading system, and as well as the time frame for you to close more trade in profit when day trading.